Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Toyota CHR number plate light. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new LED bulb. Before starting, make sure your vehicle's ignition is completely off to prevent any electrical issues. You'll find the two number plate light housings located above your rear license plate. This simple task can be done quickly and easily at home. Now, let's get to removing the light housing. Using your small flathead screwdriver, gently insert it into one side of the housing and carefully pry it outwards. It should pop out with very minimal force, so avoid using excessive pressure. Once the housing is free, you'll see the electrical connector. Carefully disconnect this connector from the old bulb assembly, setting the old bulb aside. With the housing removed, it's time to replace the bulb. The old bulb is usually secured by a simple twist mechanism. Turn it counterclockwise to release and remove it. Now, take your new LED bulb and insert it into the socket, twisting it clockwise until it's firmly in place. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb assembly, ensuring a snug fit for proper operation. Before fully reassembling, turn on your vehicle's lights to test the new bulb. Confirm it illuminates correctly. Once confirmed, align the housing with its opening and gently push it back into place until it clicks securely. You've successfully changed your number plate light. For more helpful tips and great deals, check the description below. Also, make meal prep easy with those leak-proof containers. Find the link and other deals there too. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.